Staying fit and healthy doesn't necessarily require a gym membership or expensive equipment. Home workouts can be just as effective, especially for beginners who are just starting their fitness journey. This article will guide you through various exercises, tips, and routines to help you get fit without leaving your home. Why choose home workouts? Convenience. One of the biggest advantages of home workouts is convenience. You can exercise anytime that suits your schedule, eliminating the need for travel time to and from the gym. Cost-effective. Home workouts save money. There's no need for a gym membership or expensive equipment. Many effective exercises require little to no equipment. Privacy. Exercising at home provides a private and comfortable environment, which can be particularly beneficial for beginners who might feel self-conscious working out in front of others. Flexibility. Home workouts offer flexibility in terms of workout duration and intensity. You can easily fit short workouts into your day, or extend your sessions as you progress. Essential tips for beginners. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable goals is crucial for maintaining motivation and tracking progress. Start with small, specific goals such as completing 3 workouts per week, and gradually increase the intensity and frequency. Warm up and cool down. Always begin with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. Similarly, cool down after your workout to help your body recover and reduce muscle soreness. Focus on form. Proper form is essential to prevent injuries and ensure you are working the targeted muscles effectively. Take your time to learn the correct techniques for each exercise. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after workouts. It's normal to feel some soreness, but sharp pain could indicate an injury. Rest when needed and don't push yourself too hard. Essential equipment. While many home workouts can be done with just your body weight, a few basic pieces of equipment can enhance your workouts. Yoga mat provides a comfortable surface for floor exercises. Resistance bands, versatile and portable for strength training. Dumbbells, great for adding resistance to various exercises. Stability ball, useful for core workouts and improving balance. Sample home workout routines. Full body workout. This full body workout targets major muscle groups and can be completed in about 30 minutes. Warm-up 5-10 minutes. Jumping jacks 2 minutes. Arm circles 1 minute 30 seconds each direction. Leg swings 1 minute 30 seconds each leg. Bodyweight squats 2 minutes. Circuit repeat 3 times. Push-ups 10-15 reps. Modification, do them on your knees if needed. Bodyweight squats 15-20 reps. Ensure knees do not go past toes. Plank hold for 30-60 seconds. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Glute bridges 15 reps. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Bicycle crunches 20 reps, 10 each side. Engage your core throughout the movement. Cool down 5-10 minutes. Child's pose 2 minutes. Hamstring stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each leg. Chest stretch 1 minute. Quad stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each leg. Upper body workout. Focus on strengthening your upper body with this targeted workout. Warm-up 5-10 minutes. Arm circles 1 minute 30 seconds each direction. Shoulder shrugs 1 minute. Arm swings 2 minutes. Circuit repeat 3 times. Push-ups 10-15 reps. Modification, do them on your knees if needed. Dumbbell rows 15 reps each arm. Use a chair or bench for support. Shoulder press 15 reps. Use dumbbells or resistance bands. Bicep curls 15 reps. Keep elbows close to your body. Tricep dips 15 reps. Use a sturdy chair or bench. Cool down 5-10 minutes. Child's pose 2 minutes. Tricep stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each arm. Shoulder stretch 1 minute. Chest stretch 2 minutes. Lower body workout. Strengthen and tone your lower body with this effective workout. Warm-up 5-10 minutes. Leg swings 1 minute 30 seconds each leg. High knees 2 minutes. Bodyweight squats 2 minutes. Circuit repeat 3 times. Bodyweight squats 15-20 reps. Ensure knees do not go past toes. Lunges 15 reps each leg. Keep your torso upright. Glute bridges 15 reps. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Calf raises 20 reps. Hold on to a chair for balance if needed. Side leg raises 15 reps each leg. Keep your legs straight throughout the movement. Cool down 5-10 minutes. Hamstring stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each leg. Quad stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each leg. Hip flexor stretch 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. Child's pose 2 minutes. Tips for staying motivated. Set a routine. Establish a regular workout routine and stick to it. Consistency is key to seeing progress and building a habit. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use an app to track your workouts, progress and goals. Seeing your improvements can boost motivation. Mix it up. Variety keeps workouts interesting and challenges different muscle groups. Try new exercises or routines to avoid boredom. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend or family member can make workouts more enjoyable and hold you accountable. Reward yourself. Set milestones and reward yourself when you achieve them. This could be a small treat, a new workout outfit, or a relaxing day off. Conclusion. Home workouts offer a convenient, cost-effective, and flexible way to stay fit and healthy. By setting realistic goals, focusing on proper form, and incorporating a variety of exercises, beginners can effectively improve their fitness levels without needing a gym membership. Remember to listen to your body, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your home.